Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you're looking to revolutionize your presentation creation process, then today's Gamma AI tutorial is perfect for you. Now imagine taking an existing PDF or Word document and transforming it into a sleek interactive masterpiece in just a few clicks. No design skills required at all. Whether you're a business professional, educator, or content creator, Gamma's powerful AI tools are about to make your life a whole lot easier. Now let's dive into Gamma AI's import a file feature, showing you exactly how it works and why it's such a game changer. Alright, let's get started. Head over to the Gamma dashboard where you'll see a create with AI option and then choose import a file. This is the feature I'm most excited about because it completely changes the way you work with documents. Here's where the magic happens. You can upload files directly from your computer or import them from Google Drive. Whether it's a business report, a presentation, or any other document, Gamma AI works its magic in just a few seconds, as you can see. Today I'll show you how to import a live report from a URL. Once your file has been uploaded, Gamma starts processing it, but here's the cool part. It's not just a simple import. Gamma AI scans the document, recognizes the text, and transcribes it into a visually enhanced format. You'll immediately notice how clean and professional the content looks. Now let's move on to the prompt editor. This is where you can fine-tune everything about the voice that you're generating. You can choose to preserve the original content, condense it for more concise presentation, or even expand it with AI generated details. The customization options I found were endless. Now you can go for the freeform option where Gamma intelligently organizes your content, or you can manually control how each section of your presentation appears by using the card by card feature. Either way, you're in control. One of the standout features here is how Gamma enhances your content. It doesn't just import text, it enriches it. You can choose to have Gamma search for relevant images online, or you can take a step further by letting it generate custom AI generated illustrations to truly elevate your presentation. And the best part, you get to pick from a wide selection of professionally crafted themes. As soon as you click continue, you're gonna find the themes as well. Alright, let's pick a theme that suits the presentation that I'm trying to create. As you can see, you can insert additional elements like text blocks, images, videos, or interactive components. Any way you want to make your document more dynamic, Gamma will have you covered. There's so many good themes that it's hard to pick one. Well, I've picked this one, and let's see what it generates. AI and cybersecurity trends, that's the name of the report. Oh, it's making each card. This is brilliant. Alright, images are still loading. Let's have a look at this presentation card by card. We have all the important details summarized into just 6 cards. This image is it needs a little, yeah, the resolution is good, but it seems stretched. Can we edit the image? Alright, we have a prompt generator for images for each of the image as well for later edits. Let's get back to that. I really like this one. You can also use AI to specific parts of the presentation. It's like just having an AI assistant add your fingerprints to make changes to layout, adjusting visuals, or just refining the text. The import a file feature is a real game changer no matter what industry you're in. It's perfect for business professionals who need to update reports quickly, educators transforming their curriculum into interactive lessons, or anyone who simply wants to revamp existing files into something far more engaging. Gamma really redefines the content creation process, from a simple document upload to a fully interactive AI enhanced presentation. This tool makes it all possible with minimal effort and minimal time. So if you're ready to take your presentations to the next level, head over to the Gamma app and start for free. With that said, if you found this tutorial really helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tutorials and reviews. Until next time, ta-da!